Hey you lovely people, welcome back. And as I had promised that I'm going to share with you all my holy grail products, यानी कि मेरे सबसे फेवरेट, सबसे प्यारे, सबसे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि मैं हमेशा यूज़ करती हूँ, अदरवाइज मैं हमेशा ऑर्डर करते रहती हूँ, the products which I keep on ordering every time. So without wasting more time, let me show you which products are those. So the first product which I got here is this Garnier Micellar Water. It is 400 ml. The price is 349 rupees. It's mentioned, and it is one of my favorite products which I have been using since 2-3 years or more, I guess. And I always come back to this. I even have tried that they are waterproof, that yellow one, and I have tried that also. It's good, but still I come back for this. And if you want to get a discount, then do check out Nykaa, Purple.com or Amazon. Always compare the prices and you'll get the best. My second holy grail product, my favorite, is this Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock. The price is mentioned 395 rupees, and it is PA+++. If you can see here, UVA and SPF 40 UVB. So I have tried other one, the gel matte sunscreen, and that is also one of my favorite sunscreen. But this time I just went to try this one, and this also I just love this, so I might be going for this and that. Both are awesome. My third product is this Good Vibes green tea toner. The price is 195 rupees, and it is the ml, I don't know the ml here. It's 120 ml, and it's all mentioned here: no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfate. Everything is mentioned here, guys. And I have even tried Alps Goodness toner. Even that was awesome. But I always come back to Good Vibes toners because their toners and their serums are awesome, which according to me, I love their products, and it's affordable also. So I'll mention all the products links in my description box, so you can just go out and just check the prices and details and everything. And yeah, so my fourth product is this Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. It's 30 ml. From everything is mentioned here regarding the product, how to use the ingredients, and everything is mentioned here, so you can just check this out. This is one of my favorite. I always use this as my face moisturizer morning time and before going to bed. So my fifth products are these two lipsticks. These are one of my favorite ones. So this is from NY Bay lipstick. Even this one also is from NY Bay. The shade is 1515, and this shade is 1. I'll just show you the lipstick, how it looks. So it looks like this, and I just use this lot of times. So I use this lot for my daily wear, or whenever I go out somewhere, whenever I don't want to wear a lot of makeup, I just use this, and I use it in different ways. So if you want to check out then do let me know, so I can make a video on this. So my sixth products are this mascaras. There are actually 2 to 3 products, but I'm going to show them as just. So here are the 2 mascaras. One is from Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. The price and everything you can check on Nykaa.com or Purple.com. Mostly I buy from Nykaa, and it depends on the prices, as I said before. And recently I purchased this Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara, and I've just used this once or twice, I think so, recently, 2 days before, and I love this. I'm in love in this. And this have been all-time favorite of mine. This is affordable also, as much I remember. This is almost like 799, I think so. It is 800 rupees on the deal. The sale is going on Nykaa, Purple.com lot of times, almost all the time, so you can just go and just grab it. And one of my favorite mascara is Sugar Cosmetic, the length voluming something mascara, which is the Sugar Cosmetics mascara. As I said, it has been always my favorite, but I keep on trying mascaras because mascara is one of my go-to look. I just want that. It just gives me that good feeling. So my seventh product is this Lotus Professional Whitening and Brightening SPF 25 PA+++ cream. 5 to Rex something is mentioned here, and all the prices. The price is 565 rupees. It's mentioned here. All the ingredients and everything is mentioned. I've been using this since I think so 20 days, a month it has passed. I'm using this, and I really like this cream. It gives me a good moisturization. It gives me kind of brightening look on my face, and it has kind of helped me for my marks, I think so. Not that much, but okay, like so it's kind of like kind of give you like that kind of glow you're looking for, you know. And I have one of my favorite cream. I have made a separate video on that how it has worked for me. That is Tricone. The cream name is Tricone, but I don't have the empty container. I have used so as I was saying, I have tried the cream Tricone, at least two of these tins, or what do you say for that, tins or container, डब्बा जो भी बोलते हैं इसको, मैंने उसको 2-3 ख़त्म किए हैं उसके containers, the tub, what do you say, and the cream has given me so much good damn effects for my pigmentation. I have hyperpigmentation here near my eye area, if you all can see, I don't know, and some. So my last and my favorite product is this lip balm from Blue Heaven, and I have used different lip balms, but I always come back to this because I love the packaging, and I love it how it gives you that look. So here it is, and I'll mention all the prices and everything. So I hope you liked watching my today's video. So till then,